Hi everyone, now we're going to look at the question number 14 for STATS-2 of IIT Madras Data Science. So in this question, they are clearly mentioned, we have to find out which are the options exactly true. Here in the options 1 to 4 there are two clues because there is a marginal distribution of y in two options, therefore it should be either of the two, and similarly 3 and 4 it should be either of the two. So that is the clue we got. And here in the question they have clearly mentioned it is a binomial distribution. Usually binomial distribution is represented in the form of n comma p. So therefore in the place of n they have given us 10 and the place of p they have given us 1 by 3, and they have given y z as two random variables. Y is represented as x1 plus x2. Alright. So here x1 and x2 we are taking the number 10 as the two independent random variables, therefore y is equal to 20. Alright, and similarly z we are taking into account z is equal to x1 into x2. So z is equal to 10 into 10, which is equal to 100, but in the answer options that answer is not available, therefore we can ignore that. So in the place of marginal distribution of y it should be 20. So therefore comparing and contrasting the options 1 and 2, option 1 20 it is available. So therefore the marginal distribution of y in terms of binomial distribution we can rewrite it as b into 20 comma 1 by 3. The probability won't change. So therefore 20 comma 1 by 3 option 1 is the correct answer. Now coming back to the options 3 and 4, either option 3 or option 4 should be correct. Therefore comparing and contrasting, because they are given the same content. Okay, so f of z under the condition y is equal to 15 bracket 50, that means so the z tends to 50 under the condition of y which is 15. So that means already if you see at the question they have given these two conditions. So x1 plus x2. So for z x1 into x2. So what are the possible things? So f of z is equal to x1 is equal to 10 comma x2 equal to 5, or it can be x1 equal to 5 comma x2 is equal to 10. Alright, fine. Now coming back, the denominator here they have given us 15. So 15 out of the total of how much? So under the total of already 20 is the total. So under the conditional probability we are going to see that. So therefore directly you can write it as out of 20 15. Okay, so therefore reiterating the numerator, because x1 x2 there are two possibilities, we are going to write it as 2 times in the form of combination 10c 5. Alright, by the denominator total of 20 for y. So out of 20 15 we are going to select. Okay, that is the logic and the shortcut trick I have found. So applying the combination formula, so it is in the form of ncx. So therefore n factorial 10 factorial, the place of r 5 factorial, 10 minus 5 again 5 factorial, divided by 20 factorial by 15 factorial, 20 minus 15 5 factorial. So directly we can say 5 factorial and 5 factorial will get cancelled, and further solving we will be getting it as 2 into 10 factorial by 5 factorial into 15 factorial by 20 factorial. Now comparing the options 3 and 4, which will satisfy? So 2 into, alright, so 2 into 15 factorial into 10 factorial divided by 20 factorial into 5 factorial. Therefore, the option 4 is getting satisfied. Option 1 and option 4 are correct. Hope you like my shortcut trick. If you like this video, kindly like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.